Shuttle vehicles are widely used in warehousing and logistics. Its main function is to take the goods out of the shelf and transport them to the designated intelligent induction system, automatic, memory-oriented positions such as picking, deceleration system, and pickup and placement will be applied to the fork structure to push goods. The conventional fork mainly comprises a drive circuit board, a DC motor, servo and lever coupling, lever seat and lever. This kind of design is more complex in structure and involves many assembly processes, difficult wiring, and low efficiency. The upgraded fork levers are VTEC servo modular. The VTEC servo and that shift lever are respectively. The function of the rigid transmission mechanism is to bear the bend torque moment bending forces from being applied directly to the output shaft to be damaged due to excessive force, so that use reliability and stability are improved. VTEC fork lever servo motor. The VTEC fork lever consists of 3 parts: shift, rigid drive, VTEC servo. VTEC servo with integrated brushless motor, RS485 bus control board, magnetic encoder and steel gear train. The bottom is equipped with identical XHV terminals, which can be used for multiple servos protocol in series PLC and VTEC protocol. Servo supports 360-degree arbitrary angle, control and position feedback. Initial position can be customized and lever for shuttle equipment can be mainly rotated by 90 degrees. After installation, it can be placed in a vertical position and the initial position can be set by 1P of the software to reach the target position. The overcurrent protection mechanism is triggered to start timing. Return to normal by resending the reverse position command. Modular and simple design, simple wiring, long service life of brushless motor, comprehensive functions, automatic power on, detection of the current position, servo can realize switching value control through IO2RS485 module. The module can customize the initial position, rotation angle and rotation speed. Makes the control system of the fork lever more simple, stable and reliable.